Hello, and welcome to the channel, and welcome back to this episode of the Earl Nightingale series entitled Diamond in the Ruff. Earl Nightingale was a popular radio broadcaster and motivational speaker who captivated his audience with inspirational insights and wisdom. One of his most notable contributions was his audio program called The Strangest Secret, which sold millions of copies worldwide. People, generations, decades later, still benefit from this book, from his audio program, The Strangest Secret. Here are some key ideas and messages that Earl Nightingale shared with his listeners that I share with you today. Lesson 5, entitled Taking Initiative. In this lesson, Nightingale urged individuals to take responsibility for their lives and not to wait for circumstances or others to dictate their success. He emphasized the importance of proactive action and seizing opportunities when they present themselves. Earl Nightingale's philosophy on taking initiative revolves around the ideal of personal responsibility and proactive engagement with life. He believed that individuals possess the power to shape their destinies through deliberate action and a proactive mindset. Here are some key aspects of taking initiative according to Earl Nightingale. Number 1, self-responsibility. Nightingale emphasized that individuals should take full responsibility for their lives. This means owning up to one's actions, owning up to one's choices and the outcomes therein, regardless of the external circumstances. Instead of blaming others or waiting for luck to strike, people should acknowledge their power to create change and improvement in their own lives. Number 2, proactive mindset. Taking initiative requires a proactive mindset. Rather than passively reacting to situations, proactive individuals anticipate challenges, identify opportunities, and take decisive action to achieve their goals. They understand that waiting for the perfect moment often leads to missed opportunities and stagnation in life. Number 3, continuous learning and growth. Nightingale believed in the importance of continuous learning and personal development. Taking initiative involves actively seeking knowledge, honing our skills, and embracing new experiences that contribute to personal and professional growth. By investing in self-improvement, by investing in ourselves, people expand their capabilities and enhance their capacity to seize opportunities. Number 4, courage and persistence. Taking initiative often involves stepping outside one's comfort zone and confronting fears and failures or rejection head on. Nightingale encouraged individuals to cultivate courage and resilience in the face of obstacles. By embracing challenges with determination and persistency, people can overcome setbacks and propel themselves forward towards greater success. Number 5, goal setting and planning. Taking initiative requires clarity of purpose and direction. Nightingale advocated for setting clear, achievable goals and formulating action plans to realize them. By establishing specific objectives and breaking them down into manageable steps, people can chart a course towards their desired outcomes and navigate obstacles effectively. Number 6, embracing change and adaptation. In a rapidly evolving world, taking initiative also entails embracing change and adapting to new circumstances. Nightingale recognized that the ability to embrace change is essential for personal growth and development. By remaining flexible and open-minded, we can capitalize on emerging opportunities and navigate uncertain terrain with confidence and resiliency. In summary, Earl Nightingale's profound insights into taking initiative illuminate a path towards personal empowerment and self-fulfillment. By assuming ownership of our own actions and choices, we reclaim our lives, fostering a sense of autonomy and control that propels us towards our goals, dreams, desires, and aspirations. Through the lens of proactive engagement, we not only navigate challenges, but actively seek out opportunities for growth and advancement. This proactive mindset fosters resilience in the face of adversity and enables us to transform obstacles into stepping stones towards success. Moreover, embracing a philosophy of continuous learning and self-improvement opens the doors to new possibilities and expands the horizons of our potential. By investing in ourselves, by investing in our personal and professional development, we cultivate the skills and the knowledge necessary to thrive in an ever-evolving, changing world. Furthermore, taking initiative instills within us a sense of purpose and direction, guiding our actions with clarity and intentionality. Setting goals and formulating actionable plans not only fuels our ambition, but also provides a roadmap towards realizing our goals, our dreams, our aspirations, paving a path toward success. Additionally, by embracing change and adaptability, we remain agile in the face of uncertainty, turning transitions into opportunities for innovation and growth. Through courage and perseverance, we confront challenges head-on, emerging stronger and more resilient on the other side. In essence, Earl Nightingale's teachings remind us that the power to shape our destinies lies within our grasp. By embracing the principles of taking initiative, we unlock the door to a life of meaning, purpose, and true fulfillment. So let us dare to seize the reins of our own destiny, embarking on a journey of self-discovery and transformation. In his lifetime, Earl Nightingale authored several influential books. Over the years, over the decades, these works have empowered millions of individuals worldwide throughout the generations, providing them with the tools to enhance their relationships, boost their confidence, and achieve massive personal growth and financial success. If you're a fan of his lectures and seminars, or if you would like to do a deeper dive into the teachings and wisdom of Earl Nightingale, I left a link in the description below. If you're enjoying this series and want to gain more of his valuable wisdom and insights, click on the next video in our Earl Nightingale series, Diamonds in the Rough. We hope today's video has brought you a sense of enlightenment, and we pray you find inspiration and empowerment in the pursuit of taking initiative in your own life. Remember, together we can achieve so much more. Keep moving forward. Build your network. Strive for excellence in everything you do. And most importantly, continue in investing in yourself. Keep seeking knowledge. And remember these words of Earl Nightingale when he said, "Our environment, the world in which we live and work, is a mirror of our attitudes and expectations." If we brought you value today, subscribe to our channel to join our tribe of like-minded people. Take control of your life. Be the change agent that the world so desperately needs. Pick yourself up. Help others in your communities and keep striving for a better tomorrow. Until the next time, Stay safe, stay motivated, and thanks for watching The Growth Mindset. Take care.